How to set spatial wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 26. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First of all, you have to make sure that your iOS version is up to date and have iOS 26. Once you have it, the next thing you want to do is move into your gallery or photos. Once you're inside the photos, move into the picture that you want to set as a wallpaper. Let's say you want to set this picture as a spatial wallpaper on iPhone. Firstly, click on the share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And if you scroll down, you'll see the option of Set as Wallpaper. You need to click on it. You can see the 3D effect has already been added. If you want to change the background color, simply swipe left. Now click on this 3-dot icon right here. Click on Extend Wallpaper. The wallpaper has also been extended. Now set the background color according to your need. And once you are done, tap on Add at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Set as Wallpaper Pair. There you go, your spatial wallpaper has been set on your iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.